Hey there, Droogies! Wanna learn to code biggie little by little? This is Droogipedia, your guide to Python mastery. In our first episode, we'll tackle what is Python and why is it awesome, super powerful, easy to use, and it creates awesome, cool stuff. Secondly, we'll be setting up your coding environment in two ways. I'll show you how to do it with pythonanywhere.com, no downloads needed there. And if you're on an Android device, I'll show you how to use PyDroid 3, the app for your Android phone. Lastly, we're going to be writing our first Python program, and I'll walk you through coding basics step by step. Ready to unlock your coding potential? Subscribe for more and let's code. Right, so the first thing you want to do is head over to pythonanywhere.com. You can Google Python Anywhere. Then if you haven't signed up before, go ahead and sign up. And if you have an account, then let's go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to be presented with a dashboard. Now, from that dashboard, you would have an option of creating consoles. So you want to head over to new console and click Python. It will give you an option of the versions that you want to use. So as long as it's version 3 point something, pick any one that you want. So for the intents of this episode, let's use Python 3.10. So it will open the interactive interpreter, the Python interpreter, in an interactive environment or the console, and you'll have the you'll see the triple forward arrows here showing that you're inside the interpreter. So go ahead and type print hello, and then enter, and then it says hello. So now this is using the interpreter interactively. You also have the option, first of all, let's exit the interpreter so that it is not kept alive by Python Anywhere. So once it says console closed, feel free to click on the snake at the top left corner. It will take you back to the dashboard. So your option, then head over to files, right? So click browse files. You are going to be creating a Python script, right? You can interact with the Python interactively from a shell, or create a script and run the script. So if you're still playing around, go ahead and do it in the interactive way, but for now and other episodes, we are going to be using files. So get familiar with creating a file and running it. So first of all, let's create a workspace, a directory. We are going to call this directory workspace. Now workspace, this is where we are going to be keeping all of our programs at, right? So say new directory, and within that new directory, we are going to create a file, a Python script called hello.py. Now every Python, sorry, I have problems with my mouse. Creating a new file, and it will open the virtual editor for you. Now that's one of the best things about this. And then you can go ahead and type, this is your Python script, you can type print hello, and you can run this file. It will show you the output here, and it will open it in interactive mode, meaning that you can still interact with your script. Open interpreter, printing hello, right? So I can go ahead and introduce a comment. So whenever you see something starting with hashtag in a line starting with hashtag in a Python script, it is a comment. This is my first script, and you can go ahead and click save and click run, and for save, let it run. And then it is still printing hello, right? So you can go ahead and introduce a variable. Let's call it name, skulls to Peter, and then print hi name and run. It says hello, hi Peter, right? Tango. So save this, and then before we go any further, while you're still on Python anyway, I want you to go ahead and do something for me. Go ahead and click on the menu, and then I want you to go to account. God damn it. Account. I want you to add Droogipedia as your, click education, and then I want you to enter Droogipedia as your teacher's name. So here you'll go ahead and type Droogipedia and click save. So I can't add myself, but you will be able to add me as your teacher. Why? So that I'm able to access some of the files that you have and help you out with wherever you might be going wrong, right? So remember, after doing that, in subsequent incoming episodes, whenever you need help, I'll give you an option of how to WhatsApp me, give me a shout on WhatsApp, and then I'll be able to see where you went wrong and assist you in real time. So now I want you to, you can go back to Python anywhere. You can click on the snake anytime. It will take you back to the dashboard. So remember, we have a file. It will show you in the recently open, and we have no console open because we closed those terminals. So for those of you who do not have the luxury of a PC or a fast enough browser, let's go ahead and try it on an Android based IDE. So head over to Google Play and find PyDroid 3 IDE for Python. So once it is installed, once it is installed, open it and let's set it up. Continue. What's your goal? Learning development, learning Python. I am a beginner. Click beginner and continue. And what types of programming? Simple, terminal, and web programs. Right. Let's tweak preserve files on exit, autosave, editor state whenever you close. That's okay, let's do that. And then I love the ducks thing. Let's go ahead and pick duck thing. Dum 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 dum. And then click exit here. Dum dum. So let's print. Let's try to open the. Oh, it also does auto code completion. So let's say hello and click run, and then it has print and the program has finished. So let's go back. Now let's explore this IDE. I've never used it before. So we're able to go inside the interpreter directly. Let's try it. Oh, we're inside the interpreter, and then we can just do type. We can just print help, and it prints help. Let's do exit and see how it operates. Program finished, and you can always go back and let's see what else can we do. How do we go back home? Also, this is supposed to be a file. How do we save it? Editor tools, Jedi tools. Oh, okay, so you can save, allow. Okay, and then we can pick where we want to save it. So go ahead and click internal storage, and then let's create a new folder and let's call it web workspace, so that whenever I refer to workspace, we are all on the same place. Is it in capital letters in here? No, small letters. So go ahead and create workspace, and then under workspace we're gonna call it hello.py and save. So I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna copy the text that we created in the hello py on Python anyway, copy it and paste it into the one on the Android. Let's run it. Hello Peter, and it works. So you see, you have the option of downloading PyDroid or going to. Now the advantage of PyDroid, oh, here's the disadvantage, you'll get me seeing ads. But the advantage of it is that it works offline. So whether you have data or no data, you'll still be able to interact with it. So always remember to save your progress. And there you have it, your first Python script.